Hi, this is Jimo. Last time out, I talked about who a programmer or a software developer is. This time, I will dive a bit further. The question is programming the right career path for you? There are two answers to this. First, computer programming is a very rewarding career path for people who love to solve problems. Almost every industry right now requires some sort of computer software, so the demand for programmers is quite high. The pay is also very good, depending on your country, and as a programmer, you can get jobs and work remotely as long as you get the job done. Programming skills are required generally in IT fields, data analytics, web development, mobile app development, artificial intelligence, and more. On the other hand, before you consider your journey into programming, here are my top 5 things you need to know. Number 1, there is so much to learn with programming. If you are not a learning addict, then programming may not be for you. There will be so much to learn and relearn. It is a continuous thing. As a programmer, you will learn how to code, and usually you will learn this through one programming language or more. Number 2, it can get really overwhelming. At your first attempt, you might not understand anything. You need to keep going. It happened to me. The first time I picked up a programming book, I was discouraged by the amount of content and concepts to learn. I later got my breakthrough watching YouTube programming videos and staying focused. Number 3, you need a practice along habit. Practice immediately what you learn and see why they work the way they work. Don't push to later what you can do now. If you are watching along from videos or from an app, make it a habit to pause and write some codes from what you learn at a given time. That way, you don't forget and it can stick longer. Number 4, coding bugs will resist you. Bugs are errors or flaws within your codes that sometimes take forever to find and solve. If you are an impatient person, then this will really frustrate you. Sometimes a code bug can take 1 second to resolve, or even days or weeks before you progress. This is not to scare you. Number 5, don't be ashamed to ask for help. I will tell you for a fact that there is no one software developer out there who knows it all. At some point, you will get stuck, run into bugs, and you should make it a habit to seek help from platforms like Stack Overflow or GitHub pages, or from friends and colleagues who are ahead of you. In my next episode, I'll talk about programming languages.